dear student. Here this is Sabiha Sultanas. I am from National English School Chittagong and the math teacher of class 2. Sharing is caring. When you share something or divide something, there is a lot of mathematics behind it. Without wasting any time, let's start the session with you. Today we are going to learn about the fraction. I will try to touch upon all the points of fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a piece of code which represents the one or more equal parts of a whole object. There are two parts of fraction, numerator and denominator. This line is called fraction bar or division bar. For instance, we have a circle. The circle is divided into two equal parts. Suppose it's a pizza. It's divided into two equal parts which denote the denominator. Denominator indicates the parts of whole things which are divided. And the total number of this fraction bar is called numerator, which indicates the parts being considered. Like here, one parts are shaded. One parts are shaded, and this one parts is denote this one, and the two equal parts denote the denominator. So you can read as 1 by 2 or half. 1 by 2 or half. We have some example for you. Suppose you are three friends and you have a chocolate. You have to divide it into three equal parts. Now, three equal parts. Answer me, how many parts did you get? You get 1 part. So, you can read as 1 by 3 or 1/3. You get 1/3 of this chocolate. Now you have three friends and you have to divide your chocolate or candy into 4 equal parts for sharing with your three friends. Now, tell me, how many parts did you get? Yeah, you get 1 part. So you can read as 1 by 4 or 1/4. 1 by 4 or 1/4 of this whole chocolate. The next example is, there are 5 equal parts of a chocolate. You have to share with your 4 friends. Now, how many parts did you get? Yeah, this 1 part. So, 1/5 or 1/5 we can say it. Dear student, attend to my words, what I am saying or what I am asking to you. You got 1 part from all this chocolate. Now, answer me, how many parts did your friends get? 1 and 2. So, your friend will get 2 by 3 or 2/3 of this chocolate. And now, the next. How many parts did your friends get from this candy or chocolate? 1, 2, 3. So your friend will get 3 by 4 or 3/4 of this chocolate. The next, our last. This part is divided into 5 equal parts. You got this parts, only 1 part. So answer me, how many parts did your friend get? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So your friend will get 4 parts of this whole thing. So you can read as 4 by 5 or 4/5. 4/5. Now I have some quiz for you. You can see this is a triangle which are divided into 9 equal parts. Remind my words what I am saying that. At first you have to count the whole things. At first you have to count the whole parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are 9 parts. So the 9 parts, we say that this is denominator. Now answer me, how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3. So there are colored 3 parts. The numerator will be 3. The answer is 3 by 9. The next quiz for you, a circle. Suppose it's a pizza and you have to share with your friend. How many parts in this pizza are divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, I have told you that the denominator denotes the whole parts of the whole object. Now, answer me, how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the numerator will be 4 by 8. The numerator will be 4 by 8. So, the next quiz for you is a square. You can see it. Now, remind my words. At first, we have to count the whole things or whole parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are also 8 parts. So, the denominator will be 8. And now, tell me how many parts are colored. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 parts are colored, so the answer will be 5 by 8. The answer will be 5 by 8. The last quiz for you today is also a square. At first, we have to count how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. The denominator will be 9. As soon as you say it, I knew that you would like to answer me that 6 by 9 is. At first glance, just hearing my question, what I am asking to you, then answer. My question is, how many parts are not colored? How many parts are not colored in this square? Now, you have to count this 1, 2, 3. So, 3 parts are not colored. The answer will be 3 by 9. I hope this class is dedicated to acquaintance with fraction. If you have any complexity to understand, then write the comment in our comment box. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Take care.